Hello doctors, good evening. In this session, we will discuss the topic Tamaketu Virechane. This is the most important shloka line which we go through in our examinations and in the Viva also. If it is asked, Tamaketu Virechane means in general what we will feel in Tamakashwasa, the prime line treatment might be the Virechana. We will feel like that, but it's not the correct way to understand this shloka. Before understanding this, first of all, we have to know what is Shwasa Roga, what is the pathogenesis, is there any role of Shwasa in this Tamakashwasa, what is the origin of Tamakashwasa, what is Swarabheda. These and all must be known by an individual before knowing the slogan Tamaketu Virechane. Okay, first of all, what is Shwasa Roga? Indulgence in Rajas, Dhuma, Vata and Shitala Ahara and Vihara, Vishamashana and all leads to the vitiation of Vata mainly, which further causes vitiation of Kapha and Pitta, leads to Shwasa Roga. Okay, now coming to the pathogenesis of this, especially Tamakashwasa. First of all, indulgence in all these Ahara and Vihara, what we said for Shwasa Roga. What are they? Rajas, Dhuma, Vata and Shitala Pradesha, Shita Vridhikara Ahara and Vihara leads to the vitiation of Vayu first, which moves in upward direction. In general, Vayu must move downwards. Here, Vayu will move in upward direction, which occupies and invades all the Shrotases. Okay, Vayu will move upwards and occupy all the Shrotas there, which further reaches the neck and head region. Okay, in the neck and head region, it also provokes the Kapha, which is situated in Urasthana. Here, what are the doshas now vitiated? Vata and Kapha. Okay, but the vitiation of this Kapha leads to Pinasa. Pinasa means rhinitis, running nose is seen, which further on prolonged causes Shwasa. Okay, this is the pathogenesis of the Tamakashwasa. Now, coming to the origin. The origin of Tamakashwasa is Pittasthana only. Pittasthana is the Amashaya, as we all know, but the Pitta, even it is the origin of the Tamakashwasa, it has no role in the pathogenesis, Samprapti of Tamakashwasa. Am I clear? The Tamakashwasa origin is Pittasthana, but Pitta has no role in the pathogenesis of this Tamakashwasa. So, Virechana is not the prime line of treatment advisable to a patient affected with Tamakashwasa. Okay. Here, Shwasa is caused due to the predominance of the vitiation of Vata and Kapha, as we already seen the pathogenesis in the previous step. Okay, now due to the indulgence in Rajas, Shitala Ahara, Vishamashana, Dhuma, the Vata gets vitiated, which moves upwards, which further causes vitiation of Kapha dosha. Vata and Kapha dosha vitiation causes the Shwasa Roga. Tamakashwasa also follow the same pathogenesis. Okay, as we are seeing, Vata and Kapha combinedly causes vitiation and leads to the Tamakashwasa. So, in general, Tamakashwasa will be associated with Swarabheda, gurgling of voice. Swarabheda is seen. So, for this clearance, we have to advise Vamana therapy to the patient. Okay, we have to know the Chikitsa Sutra of Tamakashwasa. What is it? Kasino Chardanam Dadyat Swarabhangecha Buddhiman Vatasleshma Harair Tamaketu Virechane. Here it comes Tamaketu Virechane line at last. It might be asked in the Viva and examinations, but the entire shloka must be known for us to answer exactly to the question. Okay. Kasino Chardanam Dadyat Swarabhangecha Buddhiman Vatasleshma Harair Tamaketu Virechane. What is the definition here? Kasino Chardanam Dadyat Swarabhangecha Buddhiman. Tamakashwasa associated with Swarabheda will be cleared by giving Chardi, Vamana here. Vamana is mentioned as Chardi. By giving Vamana therapy, which cures the vitiated kapha and vata. Later on, we have to administer Virechana to the patient for the clearance of this Tamakashwasa. Okay, first of all, we have to clear the vitiated vata and kapha. For that, we are giving the emesis Vamana therapy to the patient. Later on, the Virechana is advised. But Virechana only is not a prime line of treatment. This must be known by all of us. Okay, next. This is the explanation regarding the Tamaketu Virechane shloka. How we have to give the emesis to the patient, we'll see here. Okay, first of all, the patient is given Snehana and later on Svedana is advised. Nadi Sveda or Sarvanga Sveda is given to the patient. Later on, rice, ghee, grita and curd. Rice, ghee and grita along with dadi is given to the patient on before day of Vamana therapy, because this increases the kapha dosha, which causes the vitiation of kapha dosha in his body to its maximum extent. Okay, now kapha is vitiated in more rather than vata and pitta. So by the next day, we have to administer Vamana to the patient. We have to be conscious. We must not indulgence in aggravation of vata. We have to increase the kapha, and kapha dosha must be eliminated without increasing the vata dosha. Okay, here it clears the vata dosha passages. So vayu will be normal by this Vamana therapy. Kapha and vayu vitiation is cleared. Later on, Dhumapana is advised to the patient. Dhumapana is given with Varti made of Haridra, Erenda, Laksha and all. This clears the small amount of doshas if present in the head and neck region will be cleared with this Dhumapana. Later on, we advise Virechana to the patient. Okay, Tamaketu Virechane. This explains Virechana is advised to the patient of Tamakashwasa, but it is not a prime line of treatment. For knowing this, we have to know the entire shloka. Kasino chardanam dadyat swarabange cha buddhiman. Vatashleshma hararyuktam Tamaketu Virechane. The reference is Charaka Chikitsa Sthana, 17th chapter. Okay, this completes Tamaketu Virechane concept. Thank you. If Tamakashwasa is of recent origin, it is sadhya in an easy way by following this type of treatment. First of all, we will give Vamana and later on Dhumapana, and next Virechana is advised to the patient. Okay, if Tamakashwasa is associated with fever and fainting, it is considered as Pratamakashwasa. If Tamakashwasa patient if afflicted and feels like he submerged in a darkness, it is considered as Santamakashwasa. If it is Nava, that is recent origin, it is cured due to this treatment procedure. Okay, thank you. In further videos, we will discuss on many topics.